Welcome to another episode around SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. My name's Ingo Hilgefort and I will be your host for the session. In the previous sessions, we actually created several different assets. We created dimensions, we created views, and we also created analytical data sets. So this all comes together in the business catalog. In the business catalog, you can see all the different kind of assets, and you have several options to interact now with the information. The easiest option is you can simply actually click on the item and you can see the details. For example, we open up the data set around the sales order details. So we've shown all the different field names, the business names. In case they were configured, we could see the aggregations as well. And on the left-hand side, we can see if there are any kind of dependencies, which in this case is not there because it was a table we created just from scratch. If we open up the sales view, we will see all the different dependencies because this is a view based on the different tables and dimensions we created. So we can see again the business name, the technical name of all the different kind of fields, the data types, and we also have the option to see the lineage where we can actually see what are all the different elements that make up the sales view. We also can, for example, highlight an item and we've shown the lineage on kind of like where this element came from and how it relates to the overall sales view. Another interesting aspect is the ability to search for items. You have the option to search based on descriptions, titles, tags, everything that we entered as part of the previous exercises, you can now use and actually search for items. If you enter, for example, product, you will also notice that not only can you search for it, you will also see suggestions because product and product category is actually, in this case, a dimension. So you have multiple options to interact with the elements here in the business catalog, starting from search up to seeing a lineage on where elements are being used. I hope this session was helpful, and I want to say thank you for watching and listening.